Today we are gonna go and visit this so-called area.
And I'm the camera woman.
Camera woman. Was that light on?
No.
That's creepy.
That is really
I
creepy.
think this place is haunted. Stop
Stop
looking at me!
I'm not.
You pointed that at me. Okay.
You ruined it!
Stop talking, Tristan!
Caitlin, throw it over the bush. Not that way.
Bad habit.
Not that way. Throw it over the bush.
So demanding.
Ow! That's rude.
Okay, now remember, walking down here and look that way. Because
Hello, friends. Okay, so today we are gonna go and visit this so-called area right here.
Whoa! What was that?
What was that? Was that light on? That's creepy.
Okay.
Why are you laughing? That's creepy.
I don't know. That was something funny.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
What are those?
What are those?
Oh my! I'm starting to feel scared
Wait,
now.
I hear something like something's behind us. Oh my god! Oh my god! They're creepy pastas! Come on, Katie! Oh! Oh my god, Katie! No! Katie! Oh my god! Katie! You're dead! No! What the heck? You'll never get me! Go away! Ow! My leg! That hurt! What? No! I'm trapped! No! Ah, yeah. Swat. I think I ruined my. Oh, Ellie's still alive!
okay, did we turn it off?
Where's it?
No!
It's still running.
Ha
You just messed it up.
No!